Well, good morning for day one of Power Tour. We've actually been up for a minute out here, but we haven't left the parking lot of the hotel just yet. Kale's been doing some work on his car. He had to do an oil change, swap alternators. He's tuning the Holly system right now. I've already checked over the Dart a little bit. It seems to be in okay shape. Been out here hanging out. Boy Will Salmon, Mr. Ryan, Steve Marks over there, and Jerry and Adam and whatnot. So far, we're looking good. It's about 11 a.m. right now. We got up, slept in kind of late because today is going to be the longest day you'll be at a venue, Monday, because the rest of the days will be travel days. You probably won't get to the venue until around 12, or 12 to 2, 3, whatever. But yeah, so we're not in a real big hurry to go to the venue just yet. We're just kind of hanging out, getting some work done over there. And we also heard the lines are, 5 or 6 miles long getting into Bowling Green, Beech Bend. We're trying to let that die down a bit before we head over that way. I'm probably going to try to do some autocross, maybe go down the drag strip when we get over there today. So maybe I could have some content for that, but so far, so good. We'll keep you updated as we get out and about. Tell you what, that thing is pretty wicked. Well, this is pretty unassuming. Maybe what, 4.6? Making our way to the Motorplex. Let's see, there's Kale, Will, Jerry, Ryan. Traffic's still really bad at Bowling Green, at the whatever it is, the Beech Bend Raceway. So Kale and them gotta go pick up their credentials, and we're just gonna go hang out with them. Maybe traffic will die down a bit, getting into the facility for the day. We're heading over there now. Maybe we can let the traffic die down before we get in over there. Oh, we got an old dirt car, maybe?
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's something, that's for sure. Yeah, 6 liter of the can. How rough?
Yeah, that it's fun to drive. Looks like he's gonna have a fun week. This is just the registration area. People coming and going. Pretty sweet though. Well, if it isn't our Canadian and Californian friends that made their, 3,000 mile trip. Old Bryce and his Coronet. Wyatt. Oh man. Here's the crew.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna go back there.
that is a Shelby Daytona, a Trans Am style Mustang. That's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Stopping in and get some lunch. We got Kale, Bryce, Andrew, Ryan, Brad, Lennon, Alex. Gang's all here. Alright, so we just stopped and got ourselves something to eat after leaving the registration place. Now we're all ganged up, headed out to the fairgrounds, Beech Bend Raceway Park. We kind of waited till a little later in the day. Here it is at almost 3 o'clock. I think the venue closes around 5 or 6, one of the two. And we kind of waited for the big crowd to die down because apparently the line was like 3 or 4 hours long. It was pretty bad earlier in the day. So our plan was to kind of wait around. We technically didn't even have to go to the venue today at all because they already punched our card for day one when we registered. So we're just gonna go over here and check it out. I figured there's either gonna be a lot of people already here or a lot of people already left. So we're just going down our little main road here. Nice C8. I think that was the 06 C8. We're following Ryan, Kale's dad. Beautiful day so far, beautiful scenery. So far so good, beautiful day. We're getting pretty close to the Raceway Park, so I'll just pick up the camera again when we get inside. There's a pretty big crowd coming out now. We're here. We're in. Beautiful weather. I think I got a couple of drone shots I could put up to kind of show you the scale. I mean, there are cars just leaving as fast as they're coming in, and there's still probably 3,000 cars here. Just as far as you can see. Have autocross. I got some drag racing going on. Pretty good time out here.
What?
Oh wow. That fire truck apparently was doing autocross. That's pretty neat. Some clean looking rigs here. This guy's baller. Ooh. Got a Typhoon.
Yeah, we followed that guy coming in.
Street legal stock car.
That Typhoon.
3000 GT. Just everywhere. Well, Shelby Dakota over there. Isn't that neat? Double bricklets. Wow. Oh, there's Project X. Walking through the venue, it's kind of later in the day now. We've just been kind of taking it in and hanging out. I think everybody's shutting down for the day, so we're probably fixing to head out, maybe get some food, go find a hotel, and I'll probably call it a wrap for day one. Day two is gonna be our first big driving day. I say big, it's really not that big of a trip. I think it's only 200 miles. The shortest of all the driving days, but Yeah, it should be a good time. We're going just from Bowling Green to Nashville. Yeah, I think it's like a 60-something mile straight shot, but they made it like 150 or 200 for us, something like that. Not sure. Yeah, I'm pretty excited for that. I'll try to get some good roller shots of all the buddies and whatnot. We'll just go from there with that. So far, so good today. We get to ride in a Subaru. Hey, shotgun is actually the driver's seat, Jerry.
Oh, right. That's why I wanted to.
Jerry, move up.
I will. Oh,
Oh, yeah.
so-
Rally car. This is real. Hello. What are you doing, Jerry?
Acting like I'm driving.
Well, we're waiting for the line to die down a little bit. It's fairly long and goes back for a very long ways to get out of here. Over here I got old Dylan McCool and Bryce and Wyatt and oh yeah, good time. Got Andrew, he's taking some pictures over there. Got the Subaru. Yeah, just after this we'll go get something to eat. For now we're just hanging out, waiting for the line to die a little bit. So that way it won't take us 2 or 3 hours to get out of here.
Yeah, go stand by, Kale.
How did that happen?
Yeah, we need to do laundry. I was gonna throw some stuff.
Go ahead.
That's a clean.
Oh no. That was a good one.
Good one.
Good.
Taste the rubber.
Hello?
God damn.
Uh-oh.
Of course, there ain't nobody out.